Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make something very yummy for a weekend breakfast. I have some leftover mince with the green peas and potatoes and black pepper, onions, and here I have a dough ready. So we will be making something very nice. Stay tuned and let's see. Let's roll out the dough first. In my kitchen, we always experiment with new things because my family gets bored with the same old, same old. So we are always trying to come up with something new and yummy. I will stretch this as much as I can. Okay. This is fairly big size. So I'm going to take it to my skillet now. Let's add a little bit ghee to the skillet before I bring the dough here. I added the ghee because the dough or the roti is going to cook from one side and I will fold it from the other. So the bottom side needs to have some grease. It's big enough a size and it's thin. Adding some of that mixture. That should be enough. Now let's fold the corners. Just like an envelope. Press it down. That looks nice, doesn't it? I didn't add any cheese, but if you want, you can add any cheese. This morning, I'm not in the mood for cheese. This one looks like it's done. Let's move this one over right here. Let me bring another one. Repeating the same steps. Oil the skillet. Add the big roti. Add the mixture. That should be enough. Fold it over. Fold forward like an envelope. Just like that. Just like that. Hold on. Let's turn it over. Okay. I will add a little more ghee to it. I added a little bit olive oil to my dough. Just water, salt, flour, and olive oil. So I don't want to add too much of ghee. Just enough to let it crisp. Here you go. Our breakfast is ready. See how good that is. You can have it with tea and some of the pickles that I made the other day. The recipe is on my channel. So you can check out the recipe and you can try making this at home and enjoy. Thank you. I will see you soon with another recipe. Thank you very much. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel and give me thumbs up. Let me know if I'm doing it good or whatever you want to say. Just let me know. I will appreciate that. Thank you very much.